In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Calendar to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have your calendar events neatly listed in a spreadsheet you can sort, filter, and analyze. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns both your calendar and the spreadsheet you want to use. Start by heading to Google in your browser. In the top right corner, click the grid icon to open the Google Apps menu and choose Sheets. If you already have a spreadsheet ready for this export, open it now. If not, you can create a blank sheet and give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. With your spreadsheet open, look at the menu bar and click Extensions. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where we can find a tool to bring calendar data into Sheets. In the search bar, type Export Calendar, then find the listing called Export Calendar Events to Spreadsheet. Click it to open the app page, and then click to install. Select the Google account you want to use and allow the requested permissions. This add-on needs access to your calendar and spreadsheet to do the export, and you can review the permissions before continuing. Once the installation completes, close the marketplace. Back in your spreadsheet, click Extensions again. You'll now see Export Calendar Events to Spreadsheet in the list. Click it, then choose Open Sidebar. A panel will appear on the right side of your sheet. This is where you'll run the export. If the add-on offers options like selecting a calendar or date range, review those settings to make sure you're pulling the events you need. When you're ready, click Get Events. If a confirmation prompt appears, click OK to proceed. The add-on will fetch your Google Calendar entries and write them into the spreadsheet. Give it a moment, especially if you have a lot of events. You should see fields such as event title, start time, end time, location, and other details appear in rows. From here, you can use standard Sheets tools to filter by date, sort by start time, or create pivot tables and charts. If you ever need to refresh the data, reopen the sidebar from Extensions and click Get Events again. For large exports, consider narrowing your date range to speed things up. And remember, if you share this sheet, only the spreadsheet is shared, not your calendar, so collaborators will see just the exported data. Save your changes and you're all set.